Here we are. Very much welcome everyone to this live analysis. I need to do everything again. Welcome to this weekly analysis, this daily analysis, with 10th of May 2021. Welcome to the winners, because we are winners. Even though we don't win every day, we never give up. That's why we are winners. But now, thank you guys for joining in. I think we're going to go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, oil, silver, and whatever you guys ask for. And if you are new to this channel, please make yourself known in the comment section so we can have a chat. I love chat, and I do this for all the time. I don't have any other jobs. That's why you see my face so much. So yeah, this is what I do every day, and I like faces. I like to talk to people. That's why I'm here. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have done it. I can trade profitably on my own. I don't need. I need some guys to talk to. You know, Harley calls me every day. Cheers, mate. And that is a good day. So welcome everyone. I've seen there is an increase in the subscribers list since last time. So you know, if you're here as of lately, I hope that you come by and say hi. So here is here. But I'm on. I'm on now, isn't I? Much help needed here, Lavender White Tea. Okay, I will try to help as much as I can. Though trading forex it's risky and inappropriate. If everyone past performance is not dictated to future results, whatever happens in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. So whatever I'm going to do today is only for education purpose, not financial advice. Boom. And I like boom, you know, I like, you know, not fist fighting with you, but I like to, you know, be here with you. So let's go through the charts. Which one? Next pair. Next pair. Which one should we start with? So what has really happened today? Euro dollar has risen, kind of side, you know, some range here. We have pound absolutely crushing it today. Absolutely crushing it today. So yeah. So what else was I supposed to say today? I want to say that there is a YouTube community here that I really appreciate. That's why I come here every single day, almost. At least Monday, at least Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, give or take. And yeah. If you have something you want to say, you know, you want to say, improve on my channel, you know, if in terms of you want to see more of whatever, I will try to channel that. Yeah, GJ is new high. Pound is very strong, which is against what I thought yesterday. I have to be, I don't know why I'm so wrong lately. What happened? I'm out of shape. You know, maybe I'm getting fat. You can't see my tummy? No, you can't see my tummy. But I have a tummy. Michael Friedheim. Guten Abend, guten Abend. In German. You guys can also say, see, how are you? Wie geht's dir? Wie geht es dir? I don't know. Wie geht es dir? Something like that. My German is a bit off channel. Hey, good evening. Even JP Morgan flipped ball on euro and pound. China happened. I posted Discord. Yeah, I saw that. So let's go through it then. I just need to take down the music, maybe, at least in my ears. So cool. Then we are good on that. Telegram. There's people coming into my Telegram group. Okay, cool. Fantastic. So where did we start? Pound? Is that the rocket ship pound? Is that where we're starting? Where we now have broken out and we're just rising and we're coming into resistance. We're coming into, you know, we're coming to the monthly target, weekly target. It's all gone. So how do we handle that? That is the question. Is this the profit taking area, or is this the area where it's gonna go to the boom moon? Driving and listening. So I will try to be as much as vocal as I can so you don't drive off the autobahn. You know, if you're driving at 200, 300 km per hour or miles per hour, whatever we call it, wherever you are, please stay on the road. And in Norway, you will get fined $500 US dollar if you are driving and texting. So please don't. I don't want to be the one being paying that bill too, because I already scratched one car with some when one of you guys was driving, so I don't want to do it again. Okay, cool. Okay, so somebody has, I guess somebody is watching my screen because somebody has been liking this Neapolitan bands where if if it goes into this green zone, in this zone here, it's strongly trending market, and as long as it's above this blue line here, that's great. And if you add that with the 21 EMA, which is the red one, that also makes a support. So as you can see here, support, but this is rocketing, okay? So I don't know what about that. So if you bought support, that is totally up to you. What is my view for pound? How can I help you becoming a better Forex trader, making more money? Probably, maybe not, but educational wise, how can we deal with this? How do we deal with this situation? How do we deal with this? Well, let me help you out, brothers and sisters and ladies and gentlemen. You find support. Support. Should you be buying up here? Probably not, no. You always need to find support. That is number one. What is your support? If your support is this daily central, weekly central, or monthly central, that is absolutely 100% up to you. But we never came there. Tomorrow, it is around 141. I think that's very hard to have a daily hedge central. Almost 140 pips higher than today's daily central. We are already in the target, and I'm going to say something absolutely guaranteed. The higher it goes, the higher the risk. That I can guarantee you, it's guaranteed. So, how do you handle that? What would I do? What would I even do? I would lower risk. I would use maybe 0.5% on your trades if normal is 1/2, like take it into half, and only look for 1 hour or 15-minute support, and only below the previous one, so you don't only lose so very little as it goes higher, as it goes higher, as it goes higher, as it goes higher. And then faster break even, faster break even, faster break even. So that when you are bye, as it goes higher, you're okay. As you always look for support. Okay? You always look for support. 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 Okay? Chief! Speech to text. Yeah, very nice. Thank you. How are you doing? Very great. What do you think about gold? We are doing right now pound. Rogerson's Joseph is in the building. Welcome, Florida, I think it was. You are from? Or was it California? Florida. It was somewhere hot in America. Where I'm absolutely 100% envy you. And if you can just switch place for one day, I would be very happy. Because if I go to Norway, temperature today, we're getting 13 degrees Celsius or 56 Fahrenheit. So that's kind of what it is over here. It's kind of not hot. So yeah, anyways. So what's the target, mate? We hit that. We already did that. So what can we do then? As long as it goes higher, as long as it doesn't fall below 141, I don't think you're safe, but I'm saying that's like short-term stop loss. Get out. If you hit your stop loss, don't re-engage. Have it to have a higher high, okay? So if it comes down to your stop loss, slow down, wait a minute, look again, take a higher high. So if you go to your stop loss, oh, I'm going to buy again. And then it falls another one, and you're going to buy again. That's how you lose your money, okay? So don't do that. Okay, hello. And so that is that. Pound. You can take it higher, you have increased risk, you're supposed to take profit now. If you don't take profit now and it falls, you have been warned. So very much welcome. Please put the, that one up there. If you like that analysis, I'm giving you permission to buy, not to sell. If you think about selling, I'm gonna crush you. No, I'm not. I wouldn't be happy if you sold pound. Okay, pull back to 142, 142.40. I can. That's not a pullback, bro. But okay. Gold. Somebody asked about gold, but maybe not gold. Should we do gold? Maybe not gold. Someone's asking about gold. Gold has been ranging today because it went too fast on Friday. No lower lows at the moment. No lower lows. That is great. And if there's no lower lows, then we're going higher, right? Well, there's no guarantee in gold because I would still wait at 1813 and around 1800. I'm not giving up on that. So if you buy up here, that's kind of up to you. If you sell up here, I'm not going to kill you, but I'm going to explode. Okay? I've seen multiple people, I don't know, 3 or 4 or 5, 10 people have come to me as of the past weekend saying, hey, I saw that 1760, 1790, 1780. Do you think gold is going to go down? Bro, technical analysis. I'm going to help you out and I'm going to crush your hope. But once it broke 1800, it is no longer a sell. If you sold here, okay, you tried, but you sold in a range that was not bearish, by the way. It was bullish range. I don't know if you heard about that, but yeah, anyways. You have no lower lows, lower highs. That's the situation you are supposed to be selling in. That's what you're expecting. That's not what you expect. That's not what you want. That's why you run away from this situation. You take your loss and you go somewhere else. All right? Go somewhere else. So for everyone who's still holding gold sells, if it falls, that is not part of your plan. That is hope. Your plan is to take the sell when it's bearish. Now it's bullish. Get out of here. That's my point of view. Okay? Maybe I'm too direct today, but cut your losses. Sir, I'm humble request. Could you please glimpse at Nasdaq 100? Who else asked about Nasdaq? Abraham, €2. Very much welcome. Very much thank you. I appreciate that, Abraham. That is very, 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 very generous of you. Even though if it's €1, 100 euros, it's very humbling for me. Thank you very much. No text to it? No. So, yeah, okay, cool. So, I think target is higher, 1850, I think I said yesterday, on Friday. So, yeah, still hasn't. Okay, thank you very much. Then, what's next? Nasdaq 100? Welcome. Cool. So, what are you thinking? Nas up or down? Nas what up or down? Where are we going, bros? Those who asked for it, Warjushin asked for it, and Quinto asked for it. So where's it gonna go? What's your direction? What's your going, mate? What you doing, mate? For those who asked for Nasdaq, you guys have to answer faster than that. Come on. Type. If you are a buyer, this was your buying position. Double bottom, higher high, higher low situation. It failed you. So this is absolutely bearish at the moment. So if you're selling it, I believe you're not doing that anyways. Put it down to 1300, 300. And if you are in a buy, once it broke 1360, that's no longer a buy for me. So here. If it broke that bottom here, that's no longer a buy, and this is the last buy. Right now, it can go back up again. Okay, cool, whatever. But that is not statistically generally what you expect. So, nope. It's bearish. Bearish until a break of 1390. Cool. But of course, it can go higher, but then it needs to turn around. It hasn't done that yet. Australian dollar. Coming down to support, we have gone higher today. We have been very bullish today. We come back down again. The question becomes, ladies and gentlemen, are you a buyer or seller of the dollar? That's kind of what you have to look for. No idea, but Goldman Sachs forecasted 2,000 plus in a few months. They might be in a weed. 2,000 what? Oh yeah, gold, I guess. But yeah, they have been saying they have said 2-3, by the way. They've said 3,300. So that's the gold trade there, people. So if you're going up to 1748, if you're going up to 1700, which we almost hit, by the way, which is a big worry for me. Are we going to just tap into this area here and then fall? I don't know. We still have our buy positions down at 77 area. And coming into this week, we just didn't find any buy price. And if we fall down here, let's take it up again. That is kind of what we want to see. And if it comes down to 77.50, I still believe that is a great buy price. This is the great buy prices. And patience, people, patience. The effect on gold. If USD 10 goes higher, gold goes lower. Who is that? That is Magnus. Gold goes lower. Cool. Other than that, great. Have a fantastic day. I also expected Australian dollar to have some kind of pullback at 1800 down to like this area and then up. We didn't, but yeah. Until then, we're still bullish on it. If it falls below 78.30 level, are you going to sell it? Totally up to you. I wouldn't, but that's totally up to you. If you look into the daily sentiment of traders report and what they're doing on the Australian dollar, they are actually adding more buys, taking some sells as well, but still 60-40 on the sell side. So they still have sells inside. And as far as I remember, if we now go higher, that is just going to increase the sell side. So be aware, brothers and sisters. Be aware. Okay, and bananas, what to do then? Well, 818 up to 8, yeah, up to 0.8, great. I mean 80, 8,000, so 80. That's what I mean. Yeah, if we go up there, great. So for me, it's just, do you take that trade? That's totally up to you. That's possible. I would say that's possible trade. I'm not disagreeing with that one. I would also say that you probably want to take off this one, and then you probably want to buy somewhere around 78, 20, 15, give or take. That's a bit of a fall, that one too, on the Aussie. So yeah. Whatever fits your bell, whatever fits your bell. Or 878.30, somewhere around there. So either that one or that one, it depends on your wallet, your brain, and your willingness to take risk. What do I mean by this is a risk trade? I mean that because that it's very high at the moment. It did not have the sufficient pullback to the central, coming back up the week, which we did last week. So yeah, okay, cool. But yeah, if you're buying down in this area here, I would believe that 78.80, 78.20, sorry, is still a viable buy price for the daily. And then for the week, we still have to wait for price to come back down to 78. Okay, so that's a 20 pip down move down, and then 77.50. So somewhere here, and somewhere here is what I expected for tomorrow's fall. I don't know if we will get it. That's kind of what we are hoping for. That is the trade plans I would push down, and I would put as well my stop losses below 77.23. Good morning. Ahmad, can we buy EuroCAD at central pivot? We can look into that. So, okay, Great. Next one. Next. EuroCAD? Maybe. I will do dollar pairs after that. EuroCAD. Can we buy EuroCAD? No, I wouldn't. Well, what? Can you buy EuroCAD at central midpoint? That's an M2, weekly M2. And on the daily, it's M2, so I don't know where you see this central. Maybe it's a monthly central? If that's what you're looking for? That's not a central either, so I don't know what you see. I think your spirit points are wrong. But yeah, you can buy at central midpoint, but it's not there yet. It's at M2. Current market price. It's very aggressive. It's very aggressive. The reason why it's very aggressive is because it hasn't turned around yet. If this was to turn, I would say that would be the price to go higher from. And we haven't crossed above here. And crossing above the blue line doesn't really bother anyone. So this one can still go down to 146.40 before bouncing. So right now, since it went below this price here of 147.20, it has opened the gate lower. But of course it can turn up higher from here, but I don't expect that now. I wouldn't be happy about it, that's what I'm saying. I wouldn't be happy about it. Because the reason why I won't be happy about it is because we have already tried that trade plan I already talked about. This is a trade plan you were hoping for. And then after that you need a higher high. And you haven't got a higher high, so you have a mediocre trade. Okay? Yeah. Don't scream so much, bro. You're waking up the dead, okay? Vishinoi says pound yen. We haven't done pound yen. We can do pound yen. What do you think is going to happen now? Do you think it's going to high? Do you think it's going to high? Do you think it's going to high? You think it's going to go high? Yeah, we can go high. Yeah, cool. It's just way past all targets. Okay, that's rule number one. What does that mean? It means it can fall down from the sky without you knowing it. Okay, it can fall down from the sky. The target for the month is 154, and you at 30, and you at 153.90, so you're 40 pips away from target profit for the month. It can probably go a bit higher, but by the sufficient rise today, I would come down to 153 minimally before going higher. But I don't know if I like it. You are definitely in for a buys. Only looking for buys. At this current moment, you cannot sell. Sorry, time out. Time out for the sells. If you're selling, bro, get out. This is not a place to be. If it falls, well, you're lucky. You're the lucky dog with two tails. Okay, lucky dog with two tails there. If it falls, but of course it can fall. Of course it can fall, but I don't know. And it's not a strategy to hope for it to fall. You know, you're just ready to buy whenever it comes back to support. That's your decision as a buyer. But if you're a seller, no. How can I say that? Why? Because I want that. What do I got? I got that. How does that compare to each other? Starting at the same point, moving that a bit. You know, that is vertical. That is more nice. You know what I mean? So yeah, cool. Pound is just going higher. I don't know for what reason. Can somebody tell me why pound is going this far, this fast? Does anyone has read the news? That would be pretty good. But apart from that, target at 154.30. As I said, look for some kind of pullbacks to go higher. If it falls, it's not your luck. And if you're a seller and it goes down, you are in the wrong business. Okay? The wrong business if you are selling. If you're a buyer, yeah, great. You should have bought already, by the way. And if you can buy tomorrow at around 153.30, great. I can take that away, son. Yeah, support is here. Cool. Abbas, reply to what? Yeah, reply. Please, I'm talking to you like you have to have a. If you're new here, please give me some feedback. We need to engage. I'm here every single day as a full-time trader. I don't do anything else. I don't talk to other people other than you. So if you're here to chat, bounce off. Great, I'm here. Don't buy and don't sell. You don't shout out random things. Yes, I do. I true. But bro, you are. Oh, Ali, welcome. The thing is, Abbas, is that people come to me in my private chats and say, bro, I have a sell at 152.50. They're like, what do I do? I'm in this and this losses. I'm like, bro, where's your stop loss? Okay, so I'm talking out of how I sit in this mud and how people are coming to me with I'm very good, bro. I'm very good. Abbas, you only see what you see in the public chat. You don't see what's in my private chat. That's what I mean. And what people tell me, and like I talk to people all the time in the private chat. So yeah. Cool. No, but it's bullish trend. You're supposed to be buying a bullish trend, so you can sell here. Good to hear, my friend. Great to hear about you. And you? And you? How are you? We have already covered Australia. This is your first support at around 178.50, give or take. And then we're hoping for price to come back down to 78 and 77.50. So we shall see which one it comes down to. That was more like a... Fantastic. You know what? Welcome back, bro. I missed you. So we could do New Zealand dollar because this guy is absolutely allergic to New Zealand dollar. How could you? How could you be allergic to such a beautiful trade plan? Such a beautiful thing to trade. I don't know why. Have you lost too much money? Maybe you have used too bad a risk, Abbas. I think that's what you did. You did bad and you're projecting your bad omen into me. That's what you're doing. Okay. Taking it up from 72.30 up to 73.80 or 74. Don't shout buy and sell. Okay. Then you have to kind of then you have to understand me correctly. I don't give advice, and yes, I do shout it. It's because that's what people project on me, and I project that back when people are saying to me. I'm kind of imitating them as to what they are telling me, making fun of them in a way, I would guess. Then that's kind of what the world really is. But I then try to bring you down to the earth and say you can't sell it. So even though if you shout sell, you cannot sell it. And if you shout buy, you cannot buy it if it's not at support. Okay? USD CAD still selling at 122, give or take. Okay? Didn't come up to sell price today, can come up to sell price tomorrow. Oh, Vishnu. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, you're not talking to me then. Okay, cool. Awesome! So what do you want us to cover, Ali? I've covered Aussie. Nazir asked about pound Swissy. That hasn't been asked for quite a long time. Apparently because of pound absolutely rocketing. Another one that I cannot say I told you so about because I haven't done this one before. Just want to clarify one thing. Which one is strong? Pound is absolutely strong. Euro is weak. Dollar is weak. CAD is strong, yen is weak, so okay, cool. Then we are good on that situation. How do we trade that thing? It's past target for the day. It's past target for the coming up to the week. Okay, coming up to the month. It is it's very low. Okay, sounds fantastic. We can go all the way back up to 130. 131. 131, 130.50, 138, sorry. Wow, that's a long way, bro. That's a good pick. If you get this to trend, where's Sabev? Sabev would love this one. Oh my lord, help mercy. All right. This one's gonna fall or rise or whatever in whatever direction it does pretty fast. So as you can see here, 21 to 1, which is great. And then March was absolutely terrible. April was down. May, maybe higher. We shall see. Maybe higher on May. Did you do euro? I think I've done euro dollar. I can do euro dollar again. That's great. We can do euro dollar, but yeah, up to 1. Okay, the general trade plan is 130.80. Every single day, every single week, I would look for support. I will look for support, buy support, 50 pips stop loss, put it to break even. It goes well. If it doesn't go well, if it goes to stop loss, pack your bags, go somewhere else, bro. Go somewhere else. Easy lemon squeezy. We did not hit the weekly this month. That's worrying. Not this month. Yeah, I didn't hit central this. Didn't hit the central this month. The question becomes, brothers and sisters, are we going to go down to 121, which is what we want to do? Or are we just going to go straight up and hit the profit target and then fall? What is important for this dollar is CPI on Wednesday. That is going to rule the whole market. That's actually ruling the market today. And Sunday dollar absolutely weak. So it probably can get stronger on CPI because I've seen anything and nothing and all the things in between. I've seen 3.6, I've seen 5%, I've seen negative, I've seen everything between heaven and earth of what the expectations is for this upcoming week of CPI. CPI is the most important indicator for the Fed. So I'm not hyping it up. I'm not saying you should buy. I'm not saying you should sell. I'm not saying you should do absolutely anything. But you need to have your eyes, your eyes. Around this time around, we're looking for this consumer price index X food, X energy year over year, April, coming at 2.3 expectations. What is the real? We don't know, but that's where you have to be, Now, is it gonna go higher than expecting? I think that's gonna be dollar bullish. Now you're hearing this from me, okay? Dollar bullishness, I think, if it goes higher than expected. If it goes lower than expected, I think it's gonna go dollar bearish. Don't trade that news event as if you're a scalper from, sorry for being rude or anything, South Africa. But that's what I saw back in those days when I was Instagram. Everything I saw people taking 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss. We're flexing. We're big, we're going hard. Look at me. I can take 10 lots on this one, and I made $500 because it took like half a pip or something or whatever, 2 pips or whatever on the move, and the move was 50 pips. That's not how you trade, bro. You just left $1 million on the table because you couldn't hold a trade. Okay? What is that little boat? But yeah. Anyways, so something was pointing my finger. Is there a nail somewhere? Is somebody giving me poison? Anyways. Oh, you can't see my face? Sorry. Here I am. On the currency meter, do we have to look at daily time frame? 1 hour is very low. So I look at 4 hour or daily. You don't have to, but I want you to have a more broader look than that, okay? So, question 1, are you going to buy in this area or are you going to wait? I don't know. That's your choice. Both are valid. Both are now turning into support. So, yeah. You choose, and probably 121 is a better price. It's 50 pips down, okay? 50 pips down to 120. I'm not saying you to buy there, but I'm saying I would like to have that to happen, okay? That's how you do it. We look at what we think is going to happen, and then we plan thereafter, not chasing the market, not making the market go where we want it to go. So Abraham, New Zealand cat, buy or sell? Which direction are you thinking of this one to go? Okay. Then I'm ready to do whatever direction you think is going to go in, and whatever that direction is. Okay. We're 30 people in today. Is there anyone new here? Is there anyone giving me a like and subscription today? I'm supposed to not say that too much. But anyways, if you are here and you are struggling and you're losing money left and right on gold, on whatever, please, please, have a chat with me. I can even give you a Zoom meeting where we go through your trading, literally consultation for 1 hour. I go through your trading. I give my best advice, my strategies, my whatever I can do within 1 hour. And most of them are actually blown away. You're a South African trader, Decide Love. Very much welcome, my brother. Welcome, my brother. I can't remember any South African at the moment, but yeah. And you guys speak Australian with an African accent. Sell side. Okay. So I don't know what kind of trades you already done on this side, but if you were to sell it, you definitely have to sell that one. That was the weekly. That is 100% your choice. And maybe at 88.70 as well, 88.40, and you're just waiting for this one to break. Right now, you are hoping for it to you hope for this one to go lower, so you could take the pullback. It's a range at the moment, so this is just selling at the range top. If it breaks higher, be a break even by now, and hope for the best. You sold 88.31. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's okay. Target 86. Cool. Nasdaq falling, USD rising, SPX coming a bit lower. Okay, DXY still low though on the DXY. Hasn't had the pullback when it wanted to go lower. Hello. Oh wow, somebody got me by name. FOREX new. Okay, cool. It wasn't my wife. It wasn't my family. Whoever. Have you looked at USD CAD already? I have. I do apologize for that. Yeah. You need a pullback before selling it. And what else? Yeah, so we're all waiting for the pullback. We haven't got that yet. This looks so elevated. This looks amazing. Pound is just rising through the roof. So USD CAD is coming down out to the target for the month. That makes me like timeout. So whatever, I guess. Not whatever, but that is it makes me less interested in the USD CAD than I've already been, and 120.80 is the target for the month. So I don't know if it's gonna hold though. It can go lower for that matter, 100 pips or whatever, even more. But right now I'm like it's 10th of May. It's too early. It's probably can't have a counter trend. So as long as it's above below 121.50, it's good to sell it. But yeah, I have very mixed emotions about it. It's not really. It's really low. So support is not a good place to start selling. Can you guys see that I have a light on today? That doesn't make me glow like a potato, like a tomato. Anyone interested in the yen pairs? Anyone? Anyone interested in the yen pairs? We have done the Aussie pound yen. Yes, on the daily is about to hit resistance area. Yes, sir. Right, fantastic. Okay, I need a talking break, I guess. Whatever you call that thing. I need to drink something. All right, that was all right, all right. That was talking. How can I give you the best services, the best brains, the best trade plans, without being too salesy, without being too greedy, give you the most education, without knowing the future? Statistics. Chief any news to focus on? Yes, there is. I can do that now. A show is zonky. Okay, have you heard about zonky? Pamphlet. But anyways, cool. Have you guys heard about the zonking? If you haven't heard about, say no. Andre has not heard about zonking. Who has not? If there's somebody who hasn't, that would be great. But if there's only one, then yeah, maybe. But I know Brown has not been in here before, so yeah. But anyways, what do you get? Well, I guess it's already ruined, but okay, cool. What do you get when you take a donkey and a zebra? What do you get when you take a donkey and a zebra? Let me see if I can find the photo. There it is. Kopiera lassen. Okay, so what do you take if you take a donkey and a zebra? You get donkey, which is a zebra, and then cute. Yeah, big dog. Yeah, big dog. Yeah, big dog is cute. Cute. Yeah, cool. What else? Tomorrow we will see the ZEW survey, whatever you call it, zoo. Survey out of Europe that would drive the euro. CPI out of China might run the Australian tomorrow, and yeah, I think that's basically it for tomorrow. But Wednesday is packed, so Wednesday is really the thing. Yeah, the legs, bro, the legs. It's a mixed race sample. Donkey with socks. Could stop selling New Zealand dollar to New Zealand yen today, just like you said yesterday. Yeah. Sorry about that fill time. But it was kind of expected. It was kind of expected. So if you guys don't like my trade plans and my analysis and stuff like that, then at least the donkey might have given you the opportunity to give it a like. So anyone else? What else is there in the news today? Okay. What is there? Stock market, social invest institutions. Okay, nothing else on that. Building costs going through the roof, adding pressure on contractors' margins. Also, homeowners. I actually saw someone, maybe I said it yesterday, I saw someone getting their porch stolen in America. Somebody stole their wood of the porch. And you're wondering, why? Well, I can tell you, brother and sister, if I remember, where in the living earth did I find that one? I think it is somewhere in the chat somewhere. I think it is this one, copy link. I think it's somewhere here, where you can see the graph is absolutely astronomical. Maybe it's here, maybe it's not. I don't know. I don't think it's even is here even, but okay, cool. Maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. I don't think it's here. I think it's here. But anyways, we can look for lumber. Nope. I can't find it fast enough. I'm sorry. Where can it be then? Wells Fargo, Wells Fargo, Wells Fargo, Wells Fargo, Wells Fargo, Wells Fargo, Wells Fargo. We can go into maybe log. I don't think that is. Should we go into the log? Maybe not. And then we can go to Wells Fargo. You guys can see whatever I'm looking into anyways. This is my literal log. So if there's anyone thinking, I shouldn't show you that, then it is what it is, I guess. Fargo, Wells Fargo, 10th of May, give or take this one. Yeah, here it is. Lower prices, lower prices, lower prices, lower prices. Here we are. Lumber prices have gone from $200 in 2020 to $16.45. It's $16.45 on the lumber prices in America. Yeah, it is getting more expensive as inflation goes higher. But this is the reason. The reason why this is because of COVID, makes it slower to take out lumber, and they were screwed up before, and now they're even more. And then people have to go to quarantine and stuff, and also there is like this beetle infection as well in Canada, where America is also importing some lumber from. So yeah, it's really not a great place to be, I guess. But yeah, cool. Hey Maida, welcome. Welcome, never seen. Have you? Okay, wait. People, this is interesting. Have you seen a zonk? Let's see if she likes this one. Have you seen a zonky before, Maida? I don't know if you. No, I don't think so. Have you seen a zonky before, Maida? Ray, I hope you must be good. You must be good. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Do you think U.S. oil is turning bearish, or is still bullish on that? Well, I will look into that, but I'm just waiting for Maida to reply. Have you seen a zonky before, Maida? Where did it go? There it is. Could be a little less out. And then add it there, and then wait for her to reply. Cool. Nope, I'm not seeing the zonky. So what do you get? What do you get if you combine a donkey and a zebra, or zebra, whatever you call it, whatever, it depends on America or Africa. What do you get if you take a donkey and a zebra? It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I'm wondering who's the daddy. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your? I forgot to place the R as well. Cool. So cute. So what were we supposed to do? Oil. Yeah, true, oil. We can do oil. So look at that then. What did I say yesterday? Let's see, 63. It has to be above 63, and it's still holding above 63, so that's pretty good. If you take away all the things that I'm putting in here on this chart, it's still bullish. And the reason why it's still bullish is because it came down to M2 of the week. So great. And nat gas as well. Yeah, nat gas also dried up. So the fall that was yesterday was now dried up. So I would still say that, you know, that's a good trade plan. Oops, whoa. It's still a good trade plan to buy those prices. And if it goes below 63, you're dead and gone. So still, yeah. Anyways, I was supposed to tell a friend to come today. I don't know if he ever came up. Shameless? Is it too late now to tell people to come like an hour later? Yeah, cool. Oh, wife is talking to me. What did you want now? Oh, it's a long time ago. Okay, cool. There you are. Cool. Anyways, other than that, people, anything else? I think I've covered most of what you guys wanted me to cover today. I think I have been fairly good to you guys. Happy and cute and all those things. We have had some music in the background. Everything has been great. Abraham has given me 2 euros. I am deeply humbled. We have laughed some bit with Zunky. And other than that, dollar still hasn't had the pullback we wanted, so maybe it comes up in Asia, can go back down in euro tomorrow, eurozone, London Open, maybe. That'd be great. Other than that, yeah, ball is in your place. The ball is in your place. If you like this stream, please give it a like. I can see we have 20 likes today. That's actually pretty, every single one of them counts for me. So yeah, 20 is more than 1. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm happy for that you have liked this stream today. But we're still down. Yeah, we're still down. That's true. We're still down on dollar. We haven't got the setups we wanted, Maida. And yes, I am with you. I got burned last week. I got so burned last week that I'm still, you know, nurturing my, because I sold last week here and here and here. I sold those ones and I sold here and I got pushed up like 20, 30, 40 pips or whatever that is before going back into profit. So I still remember that to be, you know, why didn't I just wait at the central? It is so easy to just wait at the central. So yeah, pretty good on there. And what else? I don't know. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Yeah, I was aggressive. You know, that's kind of things happens. And I wasn't aggressive on Aussie today, and it went higher. So I guess it is what it is. I can't really do anything about it. But oh, Aussie's falling now. Ooh, okay. Pound is still there. New Zealand is falling. So yeah. Happy days. Happy days. Happy days. Okay. Nobody has no other questions today. That is great. Or doesn't need to be great, but that is pretty great for me. Because then I have answered most of your questions today. Then what is for me tomorrow? I'm going to look for centrals on most of my pairs. Haven't got it yet, so I'm just waiting still. And yeah, we can go through the sentiment report for today. We have 60 on net short on Aussie. More buyers coming in, so that's a bit worrying, but still we want this to be around 70, so we can go opposite. 76, 67 on the euro, we want it to be 70, so we can go against the retail traders. 65 on the pound, we want this one to go higher, and they have started to short, so that's great. We don't want that, but still, that's what they're doing. And this is above 80, earlier today on the buy side. That is great for a continuation lower. So if this is bullish, if this is around 70 or above on the buy side, this is the buy side of it, then price tends to go lower. And for the Australia, for example, if you go into Australia, where, as you can see, this is red, 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 red. This means it's selling, selling. The retail traders are selling, selling, selling. Price is going higher, higher, higher. Right now, we are selling, 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 and price is going higher, higher, higher. Okay. Go bulls and bears and cows. Thank you guys for joining today. Every single one of you, especially Meta, that came a bit late, not big. All right, people, have a great day. See you soon. See you tomorrow. And Zonkies. All right. Boom.